Good morning and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Songhees and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada in the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online.
Good morning, this is Gavin Bowers from WKRP Victoria, reporting live from GNS at the junior school. Here at the WONDER Family Carnival, a celebration of the GNS community. Tell me a little bit about the GNS Carnival. When is this going to happen?
Friday, October 1st.
Okay, and where is this going to happen?
At the Big Traffic.
And when does it happen?
Directly after school at 3:20.
Could you tell me a little bit about what is happening at the GNS Carnival?
Well, there is 9 bounce castles.
9 bouncy castles.
A dunk tank.
A dunk tank? I'm sure we must see Mr. Holton there.
Face painting.
Face painting.
Lawn games.
Lawn games.
And arts and crafts.
Wow! That sounds like a wonderful carnival. I'm sure everybody will want to attend. Oh, I understand there's going to be some food at the carnival. Can you tell me more? What's going to be there? Cotton candy! Fruit! Oh, I love fruit! Popcorn! And do you know what's even better? It's all free! I understand there's going to be even more food at the carnival. Can you tell me a little bit about that? Because it's food supplied by trucks. What do we have?
There's going to be grilled cheese.
Grilled to the grilled mac cheese? Oh my gosh! Deadbeats burgers?
And lots of Greek food.
Wow, my favorite. Doesn't stop there. More activities, more food. Can you tell me more? More activities and obstacle courses
And free mini donuts.
oh, mini donuts, my favorite. So don't forget to get your food vouchers. They can be purchased ahead of time for $12. And that will be online. You won't want to miss this advanced sales because otherwise you'll be paying $17 on the day. So order ahead. See you at the carnival on Friday, October the 1st, directly after school. Wow! It's gonna be fun. You won't want to miss it. This is Gavin Bowers from WKRP Victoria signing off. We'll see you at the carnival.
In a while, I'm at WKRP in Cincinnati.
Thank you and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.